Are you ready for the quiz?
Yep.
Okay, I'm going to click start.
All right.
So what do you think for number 3?
What requirements must be checked when conducting hypothesis testing? I think it's D.
Yeah, both A and B.
Uh-huh.
The test statistic for a hypothesis test comparing two means with independent samples is a t-score? Is that what you got? I could be wrong.
Yeah, I think it's
Okay.
We'll check. Yeah, I think it's a t-score.
And then for number 5, which one do you think it is?
Let's see. Two samples are independent here. It's B. Knowing which subjects are in group 1 tells you nothing about which subjects are in group 2.
Yeah. That's what I
Okay. By the way, I think I came down with the stomach flu, so if I get up and
Oh, yeah, no problem.
run to the bathroom, it's because I have to throw up. So
yeah, no problem.
Just so you know. Let me open up my SPSS for this next one. My computer's running slow.
For number 6, do we need to create a column of differences?
No, that's just the simple random sample minus 1.
But there's 2 different lists.
It'll give that to us in the SPSS.
Wait, so then how do I run it in the program?
Let me.
You don't have to create the column of differences and then use that?
So what I do, yeah. So I copy and paste these numbers into SPSS in 2 different columns.
Mm-hmm.
And then highlight them, do the test statistics, and then go to Analyze and do Compare Means, and then click on Independent Samples t-test.
Yeah.
And make sure you change the confidence interval to 90.
Which one's the test variables and which one's the grouping variable?
Oh, this is a little bit different. Huh. It didn't ask that for the when we did the matched pair samples on Tuesday. Let me see.
because I have to, like, it won't let me do anything.
Yeah, me neither. Hang on 1 second. I'm gonna check on the what's it called? I'm gonna, under the preparation, I'm gonna look at the video for how to do it on SPSS. That should give it to us. Huh.
Is this where we have to do the now recoding? No.
Yeah. Wow, I'm looking at the video that shows you how to do it on SPSS,
Mm-hmm.
and it's like his SPS looks way different from mine does.
Yeah.
So I'm not quite sure what to do on this one.
I'll look too.
Oh, okay. Let me look at the study again, see if we can figure this out.
Oh, got it.
Figured it out.
I think so.
Oh,
Yeah,
I
you do
think
have to recode.
think thought I had it figured out, but I'm not getting this.
I'm going to see if this is in it. I think we have to recode. That's what it's asking us to do. So I copied the Idaho Falls Dentist Office Bills 1, just that like description,
Mm-hmm.
and I just pasted it in there until there was 20, because there's 20 of them there.
Mm-hmm.
And then I pasted it. And then I took the numbers and pasted it right next to it, so it's like labeling it.
Okay.
And then I'm going to transform automatic recode. I'm going to recode variable. Is variable 1? No, it's variable 2.
Okay, so in the first column you put Idaho Falls.
Dentist office bills. I put both labels in there. Let me share my screen with you. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Okay, so here, and literally all I did was highlight all of these cells and click paste, and one appeared in each cell.
Okay. I see what you did.
And then I recoded. It's still not doing it right. Oh, that's because I did it wrong. Okay. Automatic recode. Okay. And I recoded the names, so now all of the Idaho Falls Dentist Office bills have a 1, and then all of the Rexburg Dentist Office bills have a 2, right here in this column.
How did you copy and paste Idaho Falls?
Like this. I just copied this thing right here, and then I did Control-C, or you can right-click and copy.
Uh-huh.
And then I went to my thing, and I just highlighted all of these cells, and then I right-clicked and clicked Paste. And one will pop in every one.
This is oh my gosh. It is not letting me copy and paste. So I just have to write it in.
It's not letting you copy it in there.
No. So okay, this is getting on my last nerve.
Okay. Well, we can go off mine. I'm screen sharing anyways.
Okay.
Are you comfortable with that?
Yeah, I'm okay with that.
So
yeah,
now I'm going to do...
got a little bit of a short fuse right now because I'm sick.
No, totally fine. I understand. So then I'm going to do the compare means independent sample t, right? That's the one you said.
Uh-huh.
And then my test variable is going to be all my numbers. And then my grouping variable is going to be the new column I made, the grouping one. And then I'm going to define them as 1 and 2s. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So I'm going to click OK. Boop. Here we are. What I don't know, maybe you can help me with this, is variance is assumed, equal variance is not assumed. I don't know why that would, like, I don't know why it would pop up with both. Oh, I didn't make it a 90%.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I didn't need to. That doesn't matter. It's not asking me that. Okay. So for the degrees of freedom,
I think for when it comes to the p-value, though, you'll need the 90%.
oh really? Okay.
Yeah.
I did it again. Okay, 90. Why 90?
That's what it says in the description.
Okay. So then for the degrees of freedom, I don't know which one to pick.
You want to show me your other... I can only see the
Oh, yeah, I'll show
the
you.
graph right now. I can't see the statistics.
Yeah, sorry. Okay. So these were my results.
Okay.
The quiz is asking us to, like, I don't even know, because I read the textbook. Like, I don't know why it would be equal variance is assumed, equal variance is not assumed. Like, I don't know why. But the quiz does ask us to round it to 3 decimal places, so I'm like, well, maybe just pick that one. I don't know.
It doesn't say anything about variance. Yeah, I guess the second one.
Just pick the 37.99 and then go figure it out later.
Yeah, 37.996.
Okay. The next question, what's the next question?
What is the sample standard deviation for list 2?
Then that would be the 206.637.
Right.
Okay.
And then what is the test statistic?
Negative 0.434. So either, I mean, is that what you're reading too?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Wait,
And this one is two-tailed, right? So we would use the 0.666 as our p-value?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Wait, where are you looking for the t statistic?
The sig, or the t's?
Oh, there, yeah, okay. Right.
Yeah, the p-value is the one I'm not sure, because I always use the sig two-tailed.
Mm-hmm.
And what makes it two-tailed again?
If it's, wait, hang on, let me check if it's, Oh yeah, this is actually supposed to be one-tailed.
Okay, so then we take this and divide it by 2, right?
Right. So
Okay.
it's 0.333. What makes it two-tailed is if the alternative hypothesis is not equal to.
Oh,
But if,
okay, that's the only one.
yeah, but if it's less than or greater than, then it's one-tailed.
All right, because we're only doing the one side.
Mm-hmm.
Right. Okay. So then for the p-value of 0.333,
Mm-hmm.
and so
then,
we'll fail to reject the null, right?
right. And then number 11 is basically asking what we would do if it was two-tailed, and we would still reject or fail to reject.
Yeah, because it's still big. Yeah, it's still bigger. Okay, so then for the next one, I think we have to do it again.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so let me clear it out. Right. And I'll share my screen view again, so you can tell me if I'm doing it wrong.
Make sure to, for this one, to change it back to the 95%.
Why?
Because when it's,
Oh, that level of significance.
yeah,
Got it.
it's 0.05 instead of 0.10 now.
Okay, maybe that's what I was doing wrong for my p-value.
Number 12 is B, not equal to.
Appropriate alternative. Their status that represents inheritance. It's what?
Not equal to.
Okay, that's what I got too. Okay, let me just get this in here. You can still see my screen, right?
Mm-hmm.
So this one's two-tailed then.
Yes.
Okay, so now I'm going to transform automatic recode the names. Okay. So now they're 1 and 2. Now I'm going to compare means, and they're independent.
Mm-hmm.
And so my test variable is the numbers. My grouping variable is the names.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm going to change it to 95.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. This is what I got. Let me share that one with you because it's probably on a new screen.
Yeah.
Okay. Got it?
Yep.
Cool. So the test statistic is the t right here. But which one do we choose? What the variance is?
Oh, man. Let's see if. Okay, hang on.
I don't know.
Okay, I found in the textbook it says, in this course we will always conduct the analysis using the equal variances not assumed row.
Oh, okay, good. So the bottom ones.
Yes.
Great. Good job. That was a good find.
Which means we also did it right for the last one.
That's great.
Okay,
All right.
so,
Always assume variances are not equal.
right. So 0.845.
Yes.
0.845. and the p-value.
And the p-value.
0.
And this is two-tailed, so we use the whole thing, right?
Right.
0.410.
Uh-huh.
And the level of significance, so it's bigger, so we fail to reject.
Yep. And then the confidence interval.
And we still take that from here, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And we don't have to find it anywhere else. We can use these ones?
Yeah. And this is where this is why you're supposed to make sure you change the confidence interval.
And that always changes with the level of significance, right?
Yeah. Whatever the level of significance is, just subtract it from 1, and that's the confidence interval. Yeah. And it doesn't always, it's easy to forget to change it when you're doing the whole analyzing thing.
Right.
So -2.204.
So bottom one is -2.204, right?
Yep.
And then 5.137.
Yeah, 5.137.
Okay. Are we ready?
Yep.
Okay, I'm going to submit it. Hey, we got 100!
Nice. Awesome.
Sweet. You feel better?
Feel a lot better. Yeah, I'll have to come back and figure out SPSS when I don't feel like I'm on my deathbed.
Right, exactly. Take it easy. Get some rest.
Yeah, man.
All right. Well, thanks for your help. I really needed it.
Yeah, no problem. Thank you.
Yeah,
So,
and I'll see you Tuesday, right?
Are you gonna post the link or?
Yeah, I'll post the link.
Okay. All right. See you Tuesday at 7.
Feel better.
Thanks.